Beloved friend, if you are struggling with chapped lips this winter, this is the video for you. We're going to be sharing with you some of the best products that are going to get your lips super hydrated, very smooth, and so supple that you're going to be able to wear all your lipsticks you want, and you're going to have the comfort of juicy and hydrated lips. We're going to talk about Vaseline. Vaseline is amazing for you because of its simple ingredients. This petroleum jelly creates a protective barrier that seals in moisture and prevents dryness. It's perfect for everyday use, and literally all you need to do is dip, dip, dab, dab. Dip, dip. Dab, dab. Think about it for your lip care because they do come in these big little packs, and they also come in the little minis. The thing that I love about these is that they came in a 4-pack and they came with different flavors. This one, it's the original and it doesn't have a scent, and the other 3, vitamin E, you get one with cocoa butter and the other one's the aloe fresh. The second option for you is if your lips are really struggling. This is called the Lanolips 101 ointment. It is made with lanolin and it's super rich. Lanolips is an excellent option if you were looking for something more thick and very balmy. This one is actually in the strawberry scent, but they have a ton of flavors and one that is unflavored at all. And this does have 101 uses. You can use it on dried anything on your body. Up next, we have the Summer Fridays Lip Butter. This is the scent vanilla, and it doesn't have any pigment. They have so many fun colors, and they've come out with a ton, but this one is my favorite because it is literally so nourishing. It's so nourishing, and this actually gives you a glossy shine that lasts. Now, if you're looking for something for overnight mask, this Laneige lip mask is so good. They have them in so many different flavors. This is the sweet candy, and I have been literally, this has been one of my go-to lip products for years and years and years and years. This one is one of my favorite scents. The vanilla is one of my other favorite scents. They have so many different ones that you can just go to. A tub goes a long way. This whole thing lasts me a very long time. And I love that with this product, I never feel like my lips are just dried out and I need to apply again. It's very nourishing, very hydrating. Exfoliating is key to keeping your lips in tip-top condition year round, but especially during the winter months. You can take a little bit of honey and sugar and scrub your lips, and you have a DIY and homemade scrub. But if you want to purchase something, you'll thank me later if you order this. This is one that I have found that is so good. This is from the brand called Refi, and this is their clear lip buff exfoliant. It has this little brush that you use like this, squeeze out the product and start buffing your lips. I should have done this before. It leaves your lips so incredibly soft. Okay, I'm gonna pat my lips, and then they did send me this. This is their lip gloss. And I want to thank all the brands except for Vaseline for sending product to me to share with my tribe. Just so you know, all of these but the Vaseline were sent to me on a PR package. Vaseline I bought myself. I'm going to apply this lip gloss. Watch this. The cool part about this one, I love the metal tip. It's so cooling, especially after exfoliation. This literally feels like you have like glass lips. Okay, tell me that isn't beautiful. I feel so exfoliated, so hydrated and dewy and ready to kiss my beau. He's on a run, so I have to wait for him to come home. We are going on a date today, so I am exfoliating my lips so that, you know, we can have lots of kisses in the car. That is it for my video on how to prevent chapped lips this winter. If this video helped you, send it to a friend who also loves chapstick and lipstick and lip glosses and blah, all the things. I love you to pieces, and I'll see you in the next video, God willing. Adios!